How to use an electric glass stove. I'm going to show you. Using an electric glass stove, also known as a glass ceramic cooktop or glass stovetop, requires some specific steps to ensure safe and effective cooking. Here's a guide on how to use it. First, you'll want to make sure that it's clean. Make sure that the glass surface is clean before cooking. Any spills or food residue can burn onto the surface and become difficult to clean later. Use a ceramic cooktop cleaner and a soft cloth or sponge to clean the surface. Next, you want to choose the appropriate cookware. Use cookware with flat bottoms and a smooth surface. This ensures proper contact with the glass and even heat distribution. Avoid using cookware with rough or uneven bottoms that can scratch the glass. Next, you'll want to turn on the burners. Locate the control knobs on the stove. Each knob usually corresponds with a specific burner. Turn the knob to the desired heat level. Some stoves have markings such as low, medium, and high, while others have a numbered dial. Next, adjusting the heat. You can adjust the heat level by turning the knob to the appropriate setting. The numbers or markings on the knob indicate the intensity of heat. Next, placing the cookware. Place the appropriate size cookware on the chosen burner. Ensure the cookware is centered on the flat on the glass surface. Next step is cooking. The burner will heat up and transfer the heat to the cookware. The glass surface will also get hot from the radiant heat, so avoid touching it directly. 7. Turning off the burners. To turn off the burner, simply turn the corresponding control knob to the off position. Next, cooling down. After cooking, the glass surface will remain hot for some time. Avoid placing anything on the surface until it has cooled down. 9. Cleaning after use. Wait for the glass to cool down completely before cleaning. Use a cooktop cleaner recommended for glass ceramic surfaces. Apply the cleaner and gently scrub the remaining residues. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and then with a dry cloth. To prevent scratches and scratching the glass surface, avoid sliding cookware on it. Lift cookware when moving it. Dealing with stubborn stains. For stubborn stains, you can use a scraper specifically designed for the glass cooktops. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for using the scraper. Safety precautions. Always use oven mitts or pot holders when handling hot cookware. Keep the area around the stove clear of flammable materials. Be cautious around the hot burners and glass surfaces to avoid burns. Remember, it's essential to refer to the user manual of your specific glass stove model for detailed instructions, maintenance, recommendations, and safety precautions. Different models might have unique features and requirements, so familiarize yourself with your appliances will help you get the best results while using it safely.